Hey guys, what's going on? If you're new here, my name is BrittanyNichole. I have hooded eyes and I tend to do a lot of eyeshadow tutorials. If you have hooded eyes like me, you'll find this video helpful. So today we are using the NYX Ignite palette. This is part of their Machinist collection that they came out with. I saw these at Ulta this weekend. They were half off and this is worth every penny. So these are normally $24, but I got it for like $12.50, and unfortunately this was the only one they had in stock. The others were sold out, but I did pick those up, and let me tell you, if you are looking for an affordable eyeshadow palette that has warms and cools, blends well, performs astoundingly, especially for the price point, pick this up. Today we are doing this look right here, which is super simple. It's kind of my version of a spotlight halo eye. I know a lot of people do more of like an intense spotlight halo eye, but I prefer more of like a blended eye, which is what we've got going on here. And we are only using 3 shadows from this palette, which is great. The simpler, the better in my eyes, especially if you have hooded eyes. I have a whole video kind of dedicated to that if you're interested in checking it out. So I'm gonna keep this one short and sweet. We're gonna get into this. This is gonna be very quick and focused on the eyes only. But of course, I'll leave all my makeup details in the below bottom bar thingy. So if you're interested in seeing that, stick around and keep watching. So I've already prepped my lids with concealer, and I went ahead and set that with just a face powder, and I'm gonna start with this shade right here, and I'm gonna take this all the way from inner corner to outer corner and start to build out that halo eye. This is just a Wet n Wild fluffy brush. And just to make sure we're really getting in the inner corner, I'm going to take a MAC 222 and put that right in the inner corner area, since the brush tip is a lot more precise, and work in there. And I'm not too worried at this point about blending everything perfectly. Just trying to build out this color. So then going in with a more pointed brush, this is a Morphe M507. I'm gonna dip into this color right here, and we're gonna put that on the outer corner and inner corner, and again, start to build out that halo. You could also use a pencil brush if you were more comfortable with that. And then when I know there's not a lot of product left on my brush, I'm just gonna take that and go right into the deepest part of my crease. And then switching over to a Smith 235. This just has leftover product on from when I was working on this eye, so I didn't add any product. There might just be a tiny bit left on there. I'm gonna use that to start to blend and feather in the edges, and then also blend further into the crease. And this has a little more of a point to it than that Wet n Wild brush I was working with, so I could really target the area I need. And then switching back to the Smith 232, just blending. I've talked about this a million times. I like a very blended halo spotlight eye. So I do a lot of blending. I don't like any harsh lines, which a lot of people do like with a halo eye. I just don't. And then just taking my finger and going in with this shade right here, which is obviously shimmer. We're gonna pat that right on the eyelid where we haven't put any shadow yet. And then going in with my Smith 247, I'm just gonna pat over the edges so it's blended. And then taking a pencil brush, this is a MAC, nope, this is a Morphe M431. I'm just gonna deepen the outer corner and inner corner because I feel like we lost a little bit of that pigment with blending. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with the cream shade right here, which is a pretty good skin tone shade for me. And I'm just taking this Kat Von D brush, the number 40, because it kind of fits perfectly right under my eyebrow. And I'm gonna just kind of touch there and pull down so I kind of blend these kind of outer edges a little bit more. I think it just provides a little more of a seamless blend. You could also go in and put like a shimmer shade there. I just kind of like bringing this down and helping with the blend. And then we're gonna go in, this is obviously where my outer corner is starting to water, but that's okay. We're gonna go in and kind of repeat the steps on the lower lash line. So starting with the Morphe M507, we're going in with that first shade we laid down, and I'm gonna just look up and start to blend under my eye. Outer corner all the way to inner. And then I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. smudge brush. It's really tiny and kind of perfect. And I'm gonna go in with the deeper burgundy shade and take that from outer corner, almost inner corner. I'm gonna stop right about there. This is like the perfect brush, and I think it's like $3. Go pick up this brush if you can. I even like to kind of connect the outer corner, and that's how I know where I want to kind of bring the burgundy shade in from. Does that make sense? All right, and then right on top of where we put that shimmer, I'm just gonna go in with Laura Gellar Gilded Honey again on this brush right here. And this is just gonna kind of give it a little bit of an extra reflective moment. So I'm just gonna tap that right on top. Not necessary to do this, but I did it and I like it. And then also taking a little bit of that on the inner corner. All right, so I'm pretty happy with that for now. So now I'm gonna go in with an Oxblood liner on the lower lash line. Did I say lash line? I meant waterline. And then on the upper waterline, I'm gonna just go in with a black kohl liner. I always keep Q-tips by to kind of pat my outer corners because they always water. So off camera, I'm gonna just go ahead and apply a coat of mascara. I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational. I'm gonna apply the same lash I have on this eye. I'm gonna fix this one a little bit because I think it's coming off a little bit on the center there. I don't know the name of the lashes I'm using. I'm so sorry. And I think I might put a gloss over this metallic lip. The lip I have on is Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit in Redlings. This is from the Fire Dragon Ice Dragon collection. So let me put that on and I will meet you right back here. Lashes are on, mascara is on, and this is the completed look. I love this look, and it was so easy to achieve. We used 3 shadows to achieve this entire look, and I think it is just stunning. Like I said in the beginning, if you guys can pick these palettes up, definitely pick them up. They're totally worth it. And let me know below if you like these quick, get to the point, eyeshadow only tutorials. Of course, I will leave all of the rest of my makeup details below. Not sold on this lip. I'll list everything down below. It's just a little too drying right now, and I feel like it was hard to kind of get around these cracks since it's going from warmer to cold, but I'll still leave everything down below. But that is it for this one, you guys. Let me know what you thought about it. If you have any questions, as always, please leave them below. I love to hang out with you guys in the comment section. Otherwise, if you're interested in seeing any more videos from me, please subscribe. It means the absolute world to me, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching, and sorry about this watery eye. Bye, guys.